Hello, today we are going to feed a simple linear regression model to predict the price of a house based on its size in square feet. We will use a sample of 50 houses for this analysis. This is some of the data we have. The house size in square feet is our predictor, and the price of the house in thousands of dollars is our dependent variable. We need to obtain the equation for least square regression. The general formula for linear regression is J is equal to A plus B times X, and we need to obtain the B value with the formula, and then we substitute the B in the A formula value, and by that we obtain that J is equal to minus 108.98 plus 0.25 times X, and this means that on average for each additional square foot the price of the house increases by $0.25,000. We perform a hypothesis test to estimate the 95% confidence interval for the size of the house. Suppose that we want to know the expected price for 1,450 square foot house. Using the confidence interval formula for prediction, first we have to substitute the x value into the linear regression formula, and we get a value of 2063.36. Then we use t-distribution with 0.05 divided by 2, and the degree will be 48, and that gives us 2.011, and then the formula says that is the square root of all these, and substituting that with the data that we already know, we get an interval from this to this, and this tells us that we are 95% sure that the price of a 1,450 square foot home will be between the 2,056.88 and $2,071.04 thousand. We calculate the correlation coefficient and the coefficient of determination. The correlation coefficient measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship between the two variables. The coefficient of determination tells us what proportion of the variability in the dependent variable is explained by the independent variable. This means that house size explains an 89.5% of the variability in the house price. What I can conclude from this is that house size is a good predictor for a house price alone, although it does not explain all the variability. Other factors also affect the price, but this model gives us a good basis for prediction.